What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace a rear tail light, a tail light on a Mustang 2009 and up. The specific Mustang we have here is a 2013. All right, this job is very quick, easy, and simple. First thing you need to do, of course, is pop your trunk. So open your trunk. Yours may be a little bit more difficult because mine has been taken apart already, okay? First thing you need to do, of course, you need to lift whatever's on here and try to pull the carpet back right here and remove some of the screws and what's it called, body clips that are holding this thing back. You're gonna need an 11mm socket, all right, and ratchet. I got my Milwaukee power tool right here. So let's move it to the side. Let's move this back, all right, and we're gonna have to move the carpet, the wall lining back just a tad bit to get to some of the screws. All right, and as you can see, we have one up here, second and third. All right, there you go, second and third. That one looks like it's been loosened up already. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna grab our 11mm. And we're gonna take this off. Careful not to lose those, all right? Take the other one over here. You see? I can do it by hand now. All right, here you go. And the last one. Let's see, we should be able to do it by hand. All right, so once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and unplug this right here. If you can see it, unplug this light. Press on the tab and pull it up. This little tab, you press on it, pull it up. And now you just pull through. If you want, you can unplug this as well or bring the whole thing with you. And there you go. Out with the old and with the new, right? And to install the new one is going to be the same procedure except backwards. Be sure to remove the wires from the old light and put them on the new light. You got it? There we go. All right. Make sure it clicks. Fish it through, just like so. All right. Get it in there nice, and then line these up so they can come out right there. Yeah. There we go. All right, make sure they line up. They all have to come out, stick out like that. All right. Now we're gonna tighten them back up. All right, one. And the second one up here. Two. Now make sure you go back with your ratchet and tighten it up. All right. And number three. All right, brother. Go ahead, step on the brakes for me real quick. Make sure everything is plugged in and let's check it out. Step on the brakes. There we go. We're in business now. All right, buddy. That is how you change the tail light on a 2013 Mustang, all right? Or any Mustang at that. It should be fair and simple. Quick, easy, and simple. If you like this video and you learned something, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for us so you can keep these videos coming, all right? Thank you, guys.